Okay, folks, picture this. Trying to hit a housefly with a spitball, top of the Empire State Building, in a hurricane. Sounds nuts, right?
Completely bonkers, yeah. The odds are just astronomical.
Well, strap in, because during World War II, that kind of crazy targeting wasn't sci-fi. It was a deadly serious problem for bomber crews.
Absolutely. Hitting anything accurately from miles up, wind, flak.
Yeah.
It was unbelievably hard.
So our mission today, uncover the frankly wild story of how a top-secret team used math, just pure math, to solve this.
And here's the kicker. We're not talking giant computers crunching numbers.
No.
No, not initially. Often these calculations were done by people, sometimes faster than the early machines they had back then.
Wait, hold on. Faster than machines. By hand. How is that even possible? What kind of math are you talking about here? It's not just like long division, is it?
Oh, not even close. Think about predicting a bomb's path. You've got gravity, obviously.
Gravity pulls it down.
But then there's air resistance slowing it, wind blowing it sideways, even air temperature changes density.
Okay, my brain's already hurting.
Over long distances, you even have to account for the Earth rotating underneath the bomb, the Coriolis effect.
Seriously, the planet spinning messes up the aim.
It absolutely does. So you're juggling all these factors using something called differential equations. It's all part of external ballistics. Getting that math right was literally life or death.
So where was this secret math layer? Not like in a bunker near the front lines.
Nope. The main hub was the Aberdeen Proving Ground, right in Maryland. A hive of calculation, basically, kept very hush-hush.
And the calculators. Who are these geniuses, experienced physics professors?
Actually, mostly young women, many just out of college. They were officially called computers, human computers.
The computers were women doing math by hand.
That's right. They're tools, slide rules, stacks of graph paper, and, serious brain power.
So no fancy machines,
Yeah.
Just analog intelligence.
Pretty much. They crunched those nightmarish equations to produce firing tables, detailed charts telling gunners and bombardiers exactly how to aim under different conditions.
Wow. So these women, far from any battlefield, were directly impacting accuracy, saving lives.
Directly. Their work meant fewer wasted bombs, more effective strikes. Hugely important, but totally classified. Unsung heroes, really.
Okay, that's incredible. But you mentioned early machines before. There's got to be another twist here.
Yes. Twist number 2. As the war went on, some of these very same women, they became the first
Programmers of what?
Of ENIAC, the Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Basically the world's first proper general electronic computer.
No. So the machine built to replace them, they ended up running it.
Exactly. ENIAC designed specifically to speed up these ballistic calculations. So these women went from doing the math by hand to telling the first electronic brain how to do it. They helped launch the computer age while still contributing to the war.
That is mind-blowing. They went from human computers to computer programmers, just like that.
Pretty much. And the impact of their work, both manual and electronic, was immense. Think about artillery hitting hidden targets, or bombers adjusting for weather on D-Day. Their math made that precision possible.
So it turns out math class wasn't just pointless torture. It actually, changed the world.
It absolutely did. Math wasn't just theory. It was a weapon, a shield, a critical tool in WWII.
Wild. From a crazy targeting problem to human computers kickstarting the digital revolution with slide rules and equations. Yeah.
So what's the final thought for everyone listening?
Well, it kind of makes you think, doesn't it? Even now, with all our supercomputers and AI, that fundamental understanding of the math, the logic, it still matters. These women proved human intellect was the foundation.
Right. Are we maybe getting too reliant on the machines giving us answers, forgetting how to figure out the questions? Something to chew on. Anyway, until next time, keep crunching those numbers.